Hi, this is Dr. Traci Stein. I'm a licensed psychologist and I'm certified in clinical hypnosis. And today I'd like to talk to you about how you can use your own intuitive guidance to help you gain more information about a specific question you may have. If you've listened to my audio program from Health Journeys, by now you understand that everyone is intuitive to some extent, and that like any other skill, intuitive ability is fairly trainable. And you also know that you can do simple guided imagery exercises to help you open up your energy centers or your chakras, tune in very specifically, and then close down and feel grounded at the end of your session. So building on that today, what I would say is, if you'd like, take a few minutes and get comfortable. You can start with your awareness on your own breathing, just observing the very natural ebb and flow of your breath. And as you may already have sensed, a lot of intuition is really just quieting your daytime mind and creating space. Almost as if you were allowing yourself to view a blank screen in your mind. And by staying with the focus on your breathing and just allowing yourself to notice other thoughts and feelings and concerns without getting caught up and attaching to them, otherwise known as mindfulness, you can create space. And you can learn to become better and better at recognizing the often subtle but definite communications of your own intuitive wisdom. And perhaps the image of a blank screen, a TV screen, or a movie screen with you sitting in the audience, just observing what manifests from a place of openness and curiosity, and trusting your own wisest self to communicate with you in the way and in the time that is actually best for you. And I don't know what that is. That might be right now, or that might be a little bit later. That might be the intuitive pop when you're in the shower, as so many people have. Or when you're just quiet and relaxed, perhaps in your bed as you fall asleep. Or it may even be that as you're at home doing the dishes, and just allowing your focus to stay with that one activity, that your own intuitive guidance can communicate with you more easily and clearly, because it's really a matter of just noticing and letting, believe it or not. So as you keep that in mind and allow yourself to trust yourself, allow a question to come to mind, and just let it be a simple, one-part, specific question. The simpler and more straightforward, the better, because then your very wise, unconscious mind or intuitive mind can come up with focused information that's very specific to that one thing. So just notice what the essence of your question is. Whether it's about work or a relationship, something you hope to do, a decision you have before you. And just give your highest self or your guides or your angels whatever feels most right to you. But give yourself permission to just notice. And sometimes sometimes this might be a very subtle feeling of yes or no, or a memory that seems emblematic of the decision that's most right for you. For some people, this might be lyrics to a song, and again, just to create space for these things. Perhaps you notice your intuitive guidance as a gut feeling, or just a sense of knowing without quite knowing how you know it. There's really no one right way. Just trust that you, like everyone, have a range of intuitive senses. And some might be stronger or clearer for you. But you may notice that information comes in more than one way. But there is no one right way. Your way is the right way for you. And that's really wonderful. Space for these intuitions, your highest guidance. You may find it helpful to keep a little notebook with you. To jot down things first thing in the morning when you wake up. Perhaps your dreams will communicate with you even more clearly. But remember, the more you create space for your own intuitive voice to come through, the more likely it is that you'll recognize and understand what really resonates with you at the deepest level. And when you notice these insights or intuitions, it's a good idea to jot them down. And over time, you can look back and see how your intuition typically likes to communicate with you. So now, just bringing your awareness once again back to your breathing, understanding that you can sit and do this exercise whenever you like, and that it'll become easier and easier to tune in with practice. Allow yourself to become very aware now of your body in the room and the ambient sounds and perhaps the temperature of the air on your skin. Really just being alert and in the present moment. And perhaps you may want to take a sip of water and stretch just to feel extra grounded. And over the coming days and weeks, just notice what you notice. I hope this has been helpful. Be well.